an experiment for kids. And I know it's been a long time, but it's good to see you back. And right now I have a visitor. It's my mom, Alicia.
Hi, everybody. Happy New Year.
And happy holidays.
And
this year is actually a new year because it's 2021. And this experiment that we're going to do is a cornstarch quicksand. And the materials you're going to need is a large bowl, cornstarch, a cup of water, a funnel, a colander, a slotted spoon, and some food coloring. Yeah. So first, in a mixing bowl, mix 2 parts cornstarch to 1 part water.
so what that means is you're going to mix, if you have a cup of cornstarch, you'll pour the cornstarch in.
Yep.
That's a 1 cup. And then
It might be a little dusty. It might come in the air.
a little bit floury.
And it might be a little messy, but you're supposed to get messy in science.
The second part would be you would use a half a cup of water.
Yep.
Okay? And it says to mix that together.
Now let's mix it together. But you can also, if you don't have a regular spoon, you're gonna need a regular small spoon. You're gonna need a big spoon.
Yeah, let's mix that together. It looks like it is mixing really fast. Yes.
It looks like milk, actually.
It does. It does
Look,
kind of
guys.
look like milk powder, huh? Yeah. All right. Now it says, what's number 2?
And if you drop the food coloring just for fun, if you
Ooh,
want
we
to,
like that.
and mix
We
it
love
well.
that.
And I'm doing blue, and you can do whatever food coloring you want. You can do red, you can do yellow, you can do orange.
You can do more, maybe like 3 or 4. Get nice and blue. That's right. Make sure you ask your parents if you're going to use food coloring because it can get very messy, but it is so fun.
You do mix it.
Okay. Ooh, that's so pretty.
Very pretty.
It's very swirly. I guess it's a mystery unless you guys are doing it at home with us.
I'll show you. Here we go. Here's what it looks like.
Whoa, that
Looks
is so
very cool, right, guys?
Awesome.
Very cool.
Wow, Kenny, this is very interesting, I've got to say.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
It's
Now,
looking so
what's
good.
number 3?
Have fun exploring this mixture. Make a ball of it in your hand, and then set it in a slotted spoon or flatten it down into a colander and see what happens.
Oh my, okay. This is the most fascinating stuff I think I have seen in a long time. Let me just put the camera here. All right. And Kenny, let's see. You want to try to actually put your hands on that? You can.
Okay.
That's very interesting.
Ew. It's very sticky. It's like, it doesn't
Try
want
to
me
make
to
it
like
into a
it.
ball. Can you make it into like a ball? Whoa, that is very strange.
Very sticky.
Very strange. It's not actually wet, huh? Look, it's not actually wet. It's staying in its form.
Whoa.
Can you make it into a ball at all?
I don't know. It's very blue though. Very blue. It's so
Like a little
sticky.
workout for your fingers.
Guys, like this video to give me good luck. And make sure to also subscribe.
Oh yeah, look at that. Whoa.
So guys, we added some more cornstarch. And see, if I put it in the wrong shape, it goes back to our original space, right, my mom, Alicia?
Yeah, that's pretty amazing.
Very cool.
It's solid, but not. It's not exactly a liquid. You can see it a bit on Kenny's finger there.
Yep.
But then it dries and just goes away. But when he touches it, it goes back to its shape afterwards. It's pretty amazing.
Like if I shake it right here, like some of it comes off. Very cool. Well, thank you for having this fun experiment, and make sure to like and subscribe to this video. Bye!